Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the passive versus the active voice. Let's get started. Now, in sentences written in the active voice, the subject performs the action. And in sentences written in the passive voice, the subject receives the action. Have a look at the example over here. I wrote a book. Now, this sentence is in the active voice, and note that the subject, I, performs the action, wrote a book. And in this sentence, that book was written by me. Now, this sentence is in the passive voice, and note that the subject, me, receives the action, was written. The passive form is made up of the verb to be and the past participle. Now, depending on the tense, note that the form of the verb to be can change. Have a look at the examples over here. The dinner is being cooked. Now, this sentence is in the present continuous. Being. The dinner was cooked. Past simple. Was. The dinner has been cooked. Present perfect. Has been. Now, the passive voice is usually used A to emphasize the action rather than the person or thing performing it. Have a look at the example over here. The decision has been made. B, to avoid mentioning the person or thing performing the action. Have a look at the example below. The rumors have been spreading at the office. Now, in this sentence, either you know who spread the rumors or you are not sure who does that. C, to describe a situation where the subject is not important. Have a look at the example over here. Up to 7 billion trees are being cut down every year. D, to give instructions, set rules, etc. Have a look at the examples below. Smoking is prohibited. Anyone under the age of 18 is not allowed in any bar. And now, let's review and practice a bit. Read the following sentences and decide which tense is being used. This cute card was signed by my grandparents. Past simple. The work has been already completed. Present perfect. The tests will be evaluated in a week. Future simple. Now rewrite the sentences in the passive voice. They canceled the meeting. The meeting was canceled. My friends and I are cooking dinner. The dinner is being cooked by us. I love Agatha Christie's stories. I love stories that are written by Agatha Christie. Here is a short story using the passive and active voice. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I came across an interesting study. It is said that 16 million people in the US are diagnosed with clinical depression every year. Wow, the number is very high. Thankfully, it is possible to treat it effectively with medications, therapy, and proper mental support. Yeah, but more importantly, diagnosis should be made by a mental health professional.